What's up guys, this is Danking Leaders, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Operation 1 and Operation 2 functions on a Texas Instruments 34 MultiView. To set your custom operations 1 and 2, you want to hit second and hit Op 1 or Op 2. Here you can type in whatever you want your operation to be, such as times 6, and hit clear or quit to exit. Now, whenever you type something in and hit Operation 1, it will apply your operation and give you the answer. This works for any operation. So you can put in something very long and complicated, such as to the power of 9 4/5. And now when I exit and put something in, use Op 2, and it will do exactly the same thing and give me 34 to the power of 9 4/5. You may have noticed the little n when I use one of the operations. Right there, n equals 1. If I keep using the operation, that number will go up and show me how many times I've used it. So, say I want to see just how many times I've multiplied 8 by 2. I can just keep doing this. And now, I know that if you multiply 8 by 2 9 times, you'll get 4,096. This is a very useful feature for comparing the effect of certain operations on various numbers without having to type in the same thing multiple times. For example, if we want to multiply several different numbers by 2 and then add 3, then it might be easy if you're just doing it 1 or 2 times to just type it out each time. But if you're going to be comparing this operation's effect on many different numbers, this is a fast and simple way to do it. Anyways, that's all. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one.